How to fix Instagram story mention option not working. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story mention option not working. So if you are finding difficult to mention someone on your story, then what you have to do is first of all go back to your menu and then go to Google Play Store. Just search for Instagram, and then you can see here they are asking for an update, so you have to update your Instagram. And after that, scroll down, and then you can see here you are a beta tester. So I am already a beta tester. You can see here beta tester. So I am already a beta tester. So what you have to do is you'll find an option as join here, but I am finding leave, so you'll find join. So I will just leave this. So you can see here an option rejoin, so you have to click on join, and then what you have to do is go back and then just go back to your settings, mobile settings, and scroll down, go to app management, and then scroll down and go to Instagram. So click on Instagram, and you can see here a button, force stop button. Click on force stop, and then you have to stop all the force here. Now you have to click on storage uses and then clear all the data here. Now just click on app permissions, and then you have to allow all the permission. As I have already allowed it, you have to allow the permission. Now restart your phone and then reopen your application, and then let's try. So let's try. I will click one picture here and then go to sticker icon. You can see here mention option is there available on my device, so you will find in this way. Or if you can't get the option, then what you can do is, if you wanna mention someone, what you can do is just go to an alphabet option. Just go to this option, and then just click on @ and then type the name to whom you wanna mention. So I will just type my name. So here is it, color it, and then just done. So it is you can see here we can mention in this way. So this is how you can mention your friend on Instagram story. Thanks for watching.